Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's quick video, you are going to learn exactly how you can reset your Mitsubishi electric air conditioner in 2026. So first of all, when you want to reset your Mitsubishi air conditioner, you first of all need to take a look at the remote of it, and then on top of it, you need to simply press this on or off button or the power button in order to turn off your air conditioner. After doing so, you need to simply turn off the AC at the circuit breaker as well. Then you need to leave it as it is for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After doing so, you need to turn the breaker back on and simply wait for further 1 minute before using the remote so that the indoor and the outdoor units can complete their startup process. Now you can also just simply take a look at this type of on and off button again, and you need to press it in order to basically turn your AC on. Then when it comes to selecting the temperature, you can choose the cool mode or the heat mode depending on the season, and then you can set the desired temperature in order to check if the unit is operating normally. So that's how you can basically reset it. Thanks for watching.